guest. She is an LGBTQIA and taking up Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English here in Cebu Eastern College Incorporated, and dedicated secretary of city officers, and of course one of my closest friends. Please welcome General S. Labor.
Hi everyone.
Hi, you're so beautiful today.
Oh my God, thank you. Bakit na ba ako?
Before anything else, may I ask you, how are you doing today?
Great.
I'm so delighted that we're doing fine. To start with our interview, I've heard that you are not taking pills, and unlike any other LGBTQA+, and then they use pills to make a perfect shape their body, and then have a greater boobs, and then to whiten their skin. So it's a dream of everyday, people. So why are you not taking anything?
Actually, datila kong Marites. Sabi mo na nahanap yung information na yan.
Of course, we're friends. I heard from you. So I'm just so concerned about your opinion about that.
Actually, before I wanted to take some pills, but then I realized when my sister told me na you can be as you want. Pero you don't need to change who you are. You don't need to change physically in order for you to fit on that kind of certain organization, on that certain group of people. Because I believe you have your own uniqueness. And yes, that's it. And it made me realize na, yes, I have my own uniqueness. I can show the world, the universe rather, that I am unique. That I have my own uniqueness. I don't want to follow them because they have their own way to cope up those kind of things. Yes.
So if you have given a chance to change anything about your body, work, or also who you are, so what would it be and why?
Practical, I want to change my nose because that's my insecurities. But again, as what I said, it makes me unique as an individual. Probably makita sa ubang tao na ilahang process, makita sa ubang tao na ilahang flaws mo ilahang insecurities. But ako manggod after pila ka years or days na itago. Nana ko nga, why not I'll accept my flaws or insecurities in my life? Okay, probably balikan ni Mela, di ba? Ang natatak ni Mela is yung lingkod. So, mo na siya, nainap ang tao, naganahan ang tao tungkol sa lingkod ni Mela. So, probably, mas maganahan ang tao ng ko, o mas naganahan ng mga friend, and I will not change physically. Because, mo man lang, dili mo ko i-love, dili mo ko na-inhan sa mga tao na ako niya sa lingkod.
What would be the reaction of your parents when they found out that you are part of, LGBTQ community?
Actually, ako dyan, kunin kong ihod dito sa amo.
Oh, no!
Yeah, sa side akong papa, naa sila lalaki, pero hindi ko sa tangkawayan. Pero usually sa side akong mama dyan, ako ulang dyan at kunin kong ihod nila. But then, puros man, nagsurag mo ko sa puros babae. First, kay dili mo accept akong papa, kay ako gay dapat punta sa apelido
Yeah,
sa
because you're
yes, kay ko. At supposedly senior ko, senior ko, junior sa tunya. But then, there is one time, picture me sa PSA ng picture. So, may usa ka ako, sige nga na, hindi mo siya sa akong papa. Sir, yung gusto mo pagbawat yung mga sir, bangot naman. So, dito mo, natatak sa akong mind na, until up now, di siya nakomenta na akong papa ka. Kung saan man na ako, alangan ako nulunsag, naman ako nagbato sa pagbugbog, alangan ko sa mga ako. Anak ko, yato na ako, ano siya yung mahimo, ang bugo lang ko na ano. So, ang ako nang buhatin kanatawag sa mga tao. Kaya anak na magyapon na ako. Sa ko, wala na kalibutan, dili man siya, kaya anak na magyapon. That time, like, look, wala lagi siya ni-sink in na ako. Kaya kung naging na niloport ng akong papa nga, even though I am like this, but they accept me. And until now, I'm really happy and proud na no matter what kung sa akong what sa myself, my papa and my mama will always be proud of me and will always support sa ako. And wala siya, until now, nakaiwan ko nga, nice mo din yun na, right, nakarealize ko pa, ang ba ng mga LGBT, especially sa mga wala ng time, naka-encounter sila o kanang pagbugbog, discriminate silang family, kagilayan.
And then have you experienced bullying and what would be your way of approaching this?
Many times sa pag-elementary bullying, pero di ko mind kung ano, wala sa kababong sakit.
Yeah.
Then, wala ka sa kuwi kung gibuli ko nila, kabaw ko kung insak ko, then wala ka sa kuwi apakan na laing tao. So, bahala na sila. Yung nabina sa game na, let them be because we're living in a democratic country.
Yeah.
They have a freedom to speak.
To say what we want.
Yeah. So, wala lang nila, bahala ko yan, sige, bully lang mo ng bully kay ako, hindi na makapit ko na ako. Wala ka sa ko kasi sa kulawan, ikaw mo na may sa kulawan. So ako karon kay nangyayapon ko even though dahil ng mga discrimination against ako ang gender sa akong gender, but we always try our best to fight for the equality that we want to aim for.
Based on your experience, what would be the valuable insight that you can share to our viewers?
Palansyad ka ng kung namin nila ng panahon mo na age na nila yan, just think positive lang.
Yeah.
Because you know, our world is working in 360. Kung sa mo ang na-experience ka rin, mabago naman ang inabot. Pero, mas labaw pa kung sa imo na-feel ka rin. Ayaw mo sila, kung sila na-feel mo, ipapil sa nila. Pero, stay positive, think positive, na as long as bilang ka makatapak o laing tao, as long as kanang imo lang dyan ibantayan yung image mo sa ayun dyan pang matter ano nila kay what I said earlier, we're living in a democratic country, so they have the freedom to speak. So ano lang dyan, stay positive, ayaw ko wala paglakong kay God is always beside us.
Yeah.
They will not leave us even in our hardship or even in our
Darkness.
hardships and darkness.
Yes.
Yeah.
So thank you for having the video.